St. Louis Mayor Tishaura Jones is marking her 100th day in office with a $3 million plan. She's signing an executive order on local funding directed at housing and COVID outreach. Our Sarah Maki sat down with the mayor to talk about this announcement and what's next for the millions coming from the federal government. Sarah?
Right. This all comes as the mayor and the board of aldermen president continue a stalemate on just what to do with these millions in federal stimulus money. She says she's already completed some of her campaign promises, but sitting down in her office at a distance, she says something has to be done immediately. So this is a band-aid during this ongoing pandemic.
Tishaura Jones' mayoral win made history, the first black female to clinch the spot, but also came as coronavirus case counts improved on a historic pandemic. As those trends now reverse,
I didn't run for office to do things easily.
She says she's up for the fight.
Usually when public health talks, people listen, and now it seems to be the opposite.
With a master's in health administration, she says she's frustrated by the lack of movement on spending federal funds. So an executive action releases $3 million for immediate use on housing, COVID outreach, and mobile vaccinations. This as they prepare to defend the city's mask mandate in court.
I think it's frivolous. I mean, this is coming from an attorney general who tried to sue China over the origin of the COVID virus. The attorney general is running for U.S. Senate, and so he is chasing clout.
The mayor acknowledges another one of the city's persistent problems, crime rates, and a city justice center that has seen 4 disturbances in the past year.
So we inherited this problem. The CJC has been a building that has not been kept up for the last several years. The locks were a problem when we got here. The building was in disrepair, and so it is my #1 priority to keep the health and safety of our detainees and officers first, but also rehab that facility so it works.
All right, so what's next? Well, the mayor says in the coming weeks, you can expect to see plans for battling crime rates and a plan to address infrastructure as well. Mike.
Sarah, thanks.